YouTube is giving all creators 18 and over access to a tool that can detect whether their likeness has been copied and used in AI videos uploaded to the platform. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Team YouTube made the announcement on the platform's community page that their goal is to provide users with more peace of mind by giving them easy access to request the removal of unauthorized content. While the likeness detection tool is technically only available to creators, spokesperson Jack Mallon said that anybody can use it. Mallon said that they're making it clear that whether creators have been uploading to YouTube for a decade or are just starting, they'll have access to the same level of protection. As it's getting harder and harder to differentiate between real and AI videos these days, these tools could help even ordinary people who suddenly find their faces used in potentially malicious or misleading AI videos. Creators, this could help them catch brands and companies using their likeness without permission to promote products and services. YouTube first previewed the tool in 2024 before rolling it out in late 2025. It was launched exclusively for partner program members, creators who've monetized their channels after gaining 1,000 followers and accumulating enough watch hours or short views from the public within a certain span of time. YouTube then made the tool available to journalists and politicians before this expansion, and now this feature is available to anyone over 18. All they have to do is enroll themselves in YouTube Studio by going to Likeness under Content Detection, scan a QR code, and submit a government ID and a selfie video verification, and done. Now no one can copy your likeness. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.